Here we've got windows and an ocean view. I'm going to demonstrate a fairly simple RTI system here that was programmed by Wave Connects and installed. We've got a RTI T3V, and the home page here are our options. Press TV to watch TV, and magic starts. Shades go down, TV and the pop-up that was cut into the floor comes up, turns on, and we are watching TV now. And we've also got, on the smaller TV off to the side, we can turn on the cameras. So, watching TV over here. Cameras are coming on over on this TV. Done deal. When we're done, press the off button. Turns off the small TV. Off button one more time. Turns off the rest of the system. And we'll bring the shades back up to get our ocean view there.